Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA on Xbox One. First, ensure your Xbox One console is connected to the internet and updated to the latest system software. This ensures you have access to all game features and online services. You will need an Xbox Live Gold subscription for online multiplayer modes, allowing you to compete against friends and players worldwide. Mastering the core controls is essential for success. Use the left stick to move your player and the right stick for quick skill moves to beat defenders. Press the button for short passes and X for a precise through ball. When attacking, use the B button to shoot towards the goal or X to deliver a cross into the box for a header or volley. FIFA offers a variety of engaging game modes. Dive into Ultimate Team to build your dream squad by collecting player cards and competing online. In Career Mode, you can manage your favorite club to league titles or guide a single player through their professional journey. For a different experience, try Volta Football for street-style matches or join friends in pro clubs to play as a custom player. To truly excel, consistent practice is key. Utilize the in-game skill games to hone specific techniques like shooting, passing, and dribbling. Experiment with different formations and custom tactics to find what suits your playstyle best. Regularly playing online matches against other players will challenge you and help you adapt to various strategies, steadily improving your overall game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.